In this video, we're diving into a simple and essential guide on activating your Go2Bank card. So whether you've opened an account online or received a tempting Go2Bank account offer with a brand new debit card in the mail, stay tuned for easy steps to ensure your card is activated and ready to use. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if you've opened an account online with Go2Bank, activating your chip-enabled debit card is a straightforward process. Just simply log into your account either on go2bank.com or through the app. And once logged in, head over to your account dashboard and look for the Activate Card button and just simply click or tap on it and then follow the prompts that guide you through the activation process. Now, during this process, you will be prompted to provide essential information to verify your identity. Additionally, you will need to create a PIN, so have that in mind while going through the activation steps. So this is a quick and simple process ensuring your Go2Bank card is ready for action in no time. Now, let's talk about activating your Go2Bank card if you've received that intriguing offer and a debit card in your mailbox. You've got a couple of options here. Firstly, you can activate your card by visiting the website that you see on your screen. Alternatively, if you prefer the good old-fashioned way, then grab your phone and dial the mobile number that you also see on your screen. Now, if you choose to activate your Go2Bank card by phone, please note that you will then need to go to go2bank.com/start to accept the terms and conditions and finalize your registration. This is a crucial step to ensure that your card activation is complete and that you're all set to enjoy the benefits of your Go2Bank account. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Your Go2Bank card is activated and your registration is complete. Now you can seamlessly add funds to your account and start using your card. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.